All right, we've been here for nearly a week during our coronavirus lockdown, self-quarantine period, social distancing, whatever you want to call it. And I've gotten way more stuff done than I would have thought. And actually, it would have taken me a lot longer to do this stuff if I was just doing it like weekend by weekend. I still have probably like 2 or 3 days of work in front of me, working most of the day. So that's just another example of how things take longer than you think, but it is what it is. But today I'm finally getting around to getting this tree all carved up. I had my chainsaw sharpened yesterday with a grinder, so it's pretty sharp, it's ready to go, it's much easier to use. And I'm gonna need it because this ash wood is really hard. This very simple speed square to mark off 12-inch marks for my rounds. I'm going to make all my split firewood 12 inches, mostly so it'll fit in any fireplace I want to put it in. This guy, the log ox, this has been invaluable for positioning a lot of these big logs and big rounds for me to be able to get a good sawing position on, and getting it so that I don't have to always worry about the logs pinching my I don't have to worry about the logs pinching my chainsaw blade, which is nice. Also in that regard, we got these kerf wedges. So I've been making my cut down about halfway, maybe a little more, and then pounding these in so it doesn't pinch shut, and then just finishing all the way through. And that's been working great. I've been pounding it in with this sledgehammer, this soon-to-be ex-sledgehammer. I have to get this rehandled. So close today. The chainsaw chain is dull. It's just too dull to continue to work with this tough ash wood. I'm so close. I just got this little bit left. Everything else is done. So I got to take it to the store. The store's like 25 minutes away, so I'm not going to do that today. But that's cool because I've got lots and lots and lots of wood to split. So instead, I'm going to try to just knock out this little bit of scrap wood here. I'm going to take the skill saw and just chop these up into little bits that will fit into our fireplace. Hopefully later this week, we'll have some more of those. Oh yeah, it's going in the fireplace. I think what I said about getting used to this kind of work, I think it still holds. I've been at this for my 6th day in a row of doing this, and despite bending and lifting a lot of different rounds and chainsawing from weird positions and splitting for hours at a time, body feels great. I'm a little tired, I'm sleeping really well, and I'm eating a lot, but my back is fine, my hips are fine, shoulders feel good, like everything feels good. I also feel no urge to work out at all. These are definitely my workouts, and it's been going really well. You can really see the all the beetle borer activity underneath the bark. You can see why the woodpeckers were so hot to get after it. Pretty neat. It's pretty cool.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Just decided to show off.
If I didn't come out here, I wouldn't be in the video at all.
Just on my way to Polyface Farms to do a little bit of grocery shopping and had to stop for this. Look at that. That is the Rockfish Valley. I'm on the Blue Ridge Parkway right now, and that is really cool. Hey guys. Or so should I say ladies?
Okay. Driving back to the cabin.
Yeah, we had to take a little bit of a restock and clean some clothes, get some clean laundry, take care of a couple things. I need to water my plants and take care of my office, all that kind of stuff. Grabbed a few things, and now we're just headed right back. It's a 24-hour turnaround, and this time we're going for an entire month. Should be the longest, probably by like double the amount of time that we've ever spent at the cabin, right?
Yeah, I think that's true. We have never been there that long consistently. We still don't have laundry there, and we don't have a kitchen. So that's what we're working with, which is not much, but we're making it work.
So after already spending nearly 2 weeks at the cabin, it was kind of funny being back here. Just, you noticed, like, I definitely noticed the energy. I mean, maybe it's just the times that we're in right now, but everybody seems a little bit on edge, a little bit irritable. You know, except for like I went into the cheese shop, and that owner of the cheese shop like thanked me 3 separate times for actually coming in and patronizing her cheese shop. So, you know, the one of the local restaurants does Nepalese food, and we're trying to support them. We got a bunch of food to go to take with us, and they were super friendly. So it's kind of an interesting mix right now in the DC area, but kind of interesting to be back.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't really see anybody. I was all alone. But yeah, I think that it's definitely much more stressful up in the city, especially right now. I think that like a lot of people are just having a hard time. So it's nice to go back out to the cabin. I'm really happy that we have that space because as you guys know, we live in 186 square feet, and just quarantining for a month in 186 square feet, the two of us have been really difficult, especially if I was trying to work from home, which is what I'm doing right now. I mean, I have 2 laptops that I have to use all the time, and yeah, and take a lot of phone calls. Like, it's just very, very difficult. Like, it would have been really hard. So this is a lot better, and hopefully we can get some stuff done and share with you guys.
And on the plus side, right now it is 5:45 on a Friday, this would be like a suicide mission on any other Friday. And today it's just completely wide open. There's no traffic, so tiny little silver lining to everything. We get a clean escape on a Friday.
Yeah, so far so good.